Picture this, within a decade, the moon could become the newest luxury vacation hotspot, complete with hotels offering panoramic views of Earth rising over the lunar horizon. Sound like science fiction? Think again. The future of space tourism is closer than we imagined, and it's about to change the way we explore the universe. From private lunar getaways to interplanetary cruises, the boundaries of travel are expanding beyond our planet. In this video, we'll dive into 30 detailed predictions about the future of space tourism, uncovering how advancements in technology and bold visions from companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are paving the way for a new era of cosmic exploration. Whether it's floating in zero gravity, walking on Mars, or sipping space-aged wine, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. So, buckle up because the future of travel is about to take off and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's zoom in on one of the most thrilling predictions: lunar hotels by the year 2030. Companies like Blue Origin and SpaceX are already drawing up plans to turn the moon into the ultimate luxury destination. Imagine stepping into a sleek, futuristic hotel where every window offers a breathtaking view of Earth floating in the vastness of space. These hotels won't just be places to stay, they'll be immersive experiences. Picture low-gravity lounges where you can effortlessly float from one area to another, or moonwalk excursions that let you explore the lunar surface in ways only astronauts have before. But building these hotels won't be easy. Constructing on the moon presents unique challenges, from the lack of atmosphere to the extreme temperature swings. Engineers will need to rely on innovative materials and technologies to create structures that are both safe and comfortable. Despite the hurdles, the vision is clear. By the end of the decade, the moon could be home to some of the most extraordinary hotels humanity has ever seen. This isn't just about travel, it's about creating a new frontier where adventure and luxury meet among the stars. Shifting gears, let's take a look at another groundbreaking development in space tourism: suborbital flights. Imagine boarding a spacecraft not for a distant planet or the moon, but for a quick trip just beyond Earth's atmosphere. Companies like Virgin Galactic are already pioneering this experience, offering wealthy adventurers a taste of weightlessness and a stunning view of our planet from the edge of space. But here's where it gets exciting. What's currently a luxury for the elite is predicted to become a common vacation option by the 2040s. As technology advances and reusable rockets reduce costs, suborbital flights are expected to drop in price, making them accessible to a much broader audience. Picture this: instead of planning a trip to Paris or Tokyo, you could book a weekend getaway to the stars. These flights, lasting only a couple of hours, could become as routine as international travel, offering a quick yet unforgettable escape from everyday life. The convenience of launch sites in major cities will further fuel this trend, making it easier than ever to reach the cosmos. This shift won't just change how we vacation, it will redefine our relationship with travel itself, turning space into a playground for everyone. Now, let's turn our attention to another game-changing innovation in space tourism: the rise of urban spaceports. Imagine stepping into a sleek, futuristic terminal right in the heart of cities like New York, Dubai, or Tokyo, where instead of boarding a plane, you're preparing to launch into space. These spaceports, designed to blend seamlessly into urban landscapes, will mark a monumental shift in how we think about travel. No longer will you need to journey to remote launch sites. Space will become as accessible as catching a flight from your local airport. With spacecraft departing directly from city centers, destinations like the Moon or Mars could be just hours away. This level of convenience will not only attract more travelers but also integrate space tourism into everyday life, making it a routine part of how we explore the universe. The impact of urban spaceports goes beyond just convenience. They'll redefine the infrastructure of travel, creating hubs of innovation, commerce, and connection. From the bustling streets of Dubai to the towering skylines of Tokyo, These spaceports will symbolize humanity's leap into a new era of exploration, where the cosmos is no longer a distant dream but a tangible reality within reach. Now picture this, a theme park not on Earth but in orbit where the laws of gravity no longer apply. Orbital theme parks could become the next frontier of entertainment, offering experiences that are literally out of this world. Imagine strapping into a zero-gravity roller coaster where twists, turns, and loops feel entirely different without the pull of Earth's gravity. Or imagine stepping into a spacewalk simulation where you float freely, surrounded by the vastness of space, all while safely tethered to the park structure. These parks would require cutting-edge technology such as advanced life support systems, durable materials to withstand the harsh conditions of space, and innovative engineering to create attractions that work in microgravity. The challenges are significant, but so are the possibilities. Orbital theme parks could redefine how we think about fun and adventure, offering a blend of thrill and awe that's impossible to replicate on Earth. They could also inspire a new generation of space enthusiasts, showing that the cosmos isn't just a place for exploration, it's a playground for imagination. As these parks evolve, they might even host events like zero-gravity dance parties or cosmic art installations, turning space into a vibrant hub of creativity and joy. This isn't just the future of entertainment, it's a glimpse into how space tourism could transform every aspect of our lives. Moving forward, let's shift our focus to a game-changing development in the world of space tourism: accessibility for the middle class. Picture a future where space travel isn't just reserved for the ultra-wealthy or elite astronauts, but becomes a reality for everyday people. This transformation will be driven by one key innovation: reusable rocket technology. By 2050, companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are expected to perfect this technology, drastically reducing the cost of launching spacecraft. Instead of rockets being discarded after a single use, they'll be refurbished and reused multiple times, slashing expenses and making space travel more affordable. This shift could open the doors for middle-class families to experience the thrill of space, whether it's a quick suborbital flight or a weekend stay in a lunar hotel. The economic implications are profound. As space tourism becomes more accessible, it could create a booming industry, generating millions of jobs in sectors like hospitality, engineering, and entertainment. Socially, this democratization of space could reshape how we see ourselves in the universe. No longer will space be a distant dream for the privileged few, it'll be a shared frontier where people from all walks of life can explore, learn, and be inspired. This shift could also spark a new era of global collaboration, as nations work together to ensure safe and equitable access to space for all. By making space travel a possibility for the middle class, we're not just changing how we vacation, we're redefining what it means to be a spacefaring civilization. Now, let's take a step beyond lunar hotels and explore an even more captivating concept: lunar cruises. Imagine boarding a luxurious spacecraft designed to orbit the moon, offering passengers a front-row seat to one of the most awe-inspiring sights in the universe, the lunar surface. Unlike traditional cruises on Earth, these voyages will allow travelers to float in zero gravity while gazing at the moon's craters, mountains, and vast plains from just a few hundred miles above. Onboard activities will be tailored to enhance the experience, with options like lunar photography workshops, where guests can capture stunning, high-resolution images of the moon's unique landscapes. Stargazing sessions will take on a whole new dimension as passengers peer into the depths of space, free from the distortion of Earth's atmosphere. For those seeking a more immersive experience, guided tours using augmented reality headsets could provide historical and geological insights into the moon's formation and its role in human exploration. These lunar cruises won't just be about sightseeing, they'll be about creating unforgettable memories and fostering a deeper connection to our celestial neighbor. With companies already sketching out plans for such missions, It's only a matter of time before lunar cruises become the next must-do adventure in the world of space tourism. Shifting our gaze further into the cosmos, let's envision Mars as the ultimate destination for space tourism by the 2060s. While lunar adventures will captivate travelers in the near future, Mars offers a more profound and transformative experience, one that will redefine what it means to explore the universe. However, reaching the red planet won't be without its challenges. The journey to Mars, which takes approximately 7 months one way, requires overcoming significant hurdles, such as ensuring passenger safety during prolonged exposure to radiation and microgravity. To address these issues, spacecraft designers are likely to incorporate advanced shielding technologies and artificial gravity systems, making the trip not only safer but also more comfortable. Once there, Martian resorts will cater to the intrepid travelers, offering accommodations that blend luxury with sustainability. Imagine staying in domed habitats with panoramic views of the Martian landscape, where guests can dine on locally grown, hydroponic meals while marveling at the planet's iconic rust-colored terrain. The highlight of any Martian getaway will undoubtedly be the chance to step onto the surface of Mars and feel its thin, alien atmosphere. Guided tours could take visitors to historic landing sites, like the one where the first human mission touched down, or to natural wonders like Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system. For those seeking adventure, activities like Martian rover expeditions or even space skiing on the planet's icy poles could become bucket list experiences. As technology advances and the cost of interplanetary travel decreases, Mars will emerge as the pinnacle of space tourism, offering an unparalleled blend of exploration, adventure, and wonder. The dream of setting foot on another world is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's a future we're steadily moving toward, and it's closer than you might think. As we venture into the final frontier, another critical aspect of space tourism comes into focus: insurance. Just as terrestrial travel comes with its own set of risks, space tourism introduces unique challenges that will require specialized coverage. Space tourism insurance will become an essential part of the journey, offering protection against a range of unforeseen events. From medical emergencies caused by the harsh conditions of space to flight cancellations due to technical issues or space weather, these policies will ensure that travelers can explore the cosmos with peace of mind. One of the most intriguing aspects of this new insurance market will be the inclusion of rescue missions. Imagine a scenario where a spacecraft encounters a problem far from Earth. Insurance companies may offer plans that cover the cost of sending a rescue mission, a service that was once the stuff of science fiction. The insurance industry will need to adapt rapidly to assess and manage the unique risks associated with space travel. Factors like exposure to radiation, prolonged periods in microgravity, and the potential for technical malfunctions will all play a role in shaping these policies. As space tourism becomes more accessible, insurance packages will likely evolve to cater to different levels of risk and adventure, from suborbital flights to interplanetary journeys. This emerging market will not only protect travelers but also pave the way for a safer and more sustainable future in space exploration. With the right safeguards in place, the dream of traveling among the stars becomes a little more attainable for everyone. Moving forward, let's explore a game-changing innovation that could transform the future of space tourism: artificial gravity in spacecraft. One of the biggest challenges of extended space travel is the health risks associated with prolonged weightlessness, such as muscle atrophy and bone density loss. To address this, scientists and engineers are developing spacecraft equipped with artificial gravity, designed to mimic the gravitational pull of Earth. The concept revolves around rotating habitats where the spacecraft spins to create centrifugal force, effectively simulating gravity for its occupants. Imagine a massive cylindrical spacecraft slowly rotating, allowing passengers to walk, sleep, and eat just as they would on Earth. This technology could not only improve the physical well-being of space tourists, but also make long-duration journeys like trips to Mars far more comfortable and feasible. By reducing the adverse effects of microgravity, artificial gravity could open the door to a new era of space exploration, where travelers can embark on interplanetary adventures without compromising their health. As this technology evolves, it will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future of space tourism, making the cosmos a more hospitable destination for all. Now, let's turn our attention to an exciting fusion of style and science, space fashion. As space tourism becomes more accessible, designers are already envisioning clothing that's not only stylish but also equipped to handle the extreme conditions of space. Picture sleek, futuristic outfits that are both lightweight and durable, crafted from advanced materials capable of protecting wearers from temperature fluctuations, radiation, and microgravity. These garments will need to be breathable, flexible, and easy to move in, all while maintaining a high-fashion aesthetic. Think of jackets with built-in temperature control systems, or boots designed to keep feet secure in zero gravity. Even accessories will play a role, with items like helmets and gloves blending functionality with cutting-edge design. Beyond practicality, space fashion will also reflect the individuality and creativity of its wearers, offering a unique way for tourists to express themselves while exploring the cosmos. This emerging trend will not only redefine what we wear in space, but also inspire new innovations in fashion here on Earth. As space tourism grows, the runway will extend far beyond our planet, showcasing a bold new era of interstellar style. Now let's explore a topic that's sure to tantalize your taste buds: space cuisine. As space tourism expands, so too will the culinary experiences available to travelers. Chefs are already pioneering gourmet meals that can be savored in the unique environment of zero gravity. Imagine dishes that are not only delicious but also engineered to stay intact and easy to consume in microgravity. This means rethinking everything from textures to packaging. Liquids, for example, must be contained in special pouches to avoid floating away, while solid foods need to be moist enough to hold together yet dry enough to prevent crumbs from drifting into sensitive equipment. The challenges of cooking in space are immense, as traditional methods like frying or baking are impractical without gravity or an open flame. Instead, chefs will rely on advanced techniques like sous vide or freeze drying to create meals that are both safe and flavorful. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Space cuisine will also open the door to entirely new dining experiences. Picture floating food festivals where dishes glide through the air, or multi-course meals served in orbital restaurants with breathtaking views of Earth. These experiences won't just be about eating, they'll be about celebrating the art of food in a setting that's truly out of this world. As space tourism grows, the culinary world will rise to the challenge, transforming dining into an unforgettable adventure for every traveler. Now, let's turn our attention to a trend that's bound to redefine romance: space weddings. Imagine saying "I do" while floating in zero gravity with Earth's stunning curvature as your backdrop. This isn't just a dream for the future, it's a concept that's already capturing the imagination of adventurous couples. Planning a space wedding, however, comes with its own set of unique challenges. From securing a spacecraft to ensuring the safety of the wedding party, every detail requires meticulous coordination. The ceremony itself would need to be streamlined, with lightweight attire and simplified decorations to avoid complications in microgravity. Even the exchange of rings would need careful thought, as loose items could float away. But these logistical hurdles only add to the allure. For couples seeking an unforgettable experience, a space wedding offers the ultimate blend of adventure and romance. Picture the moment when the couple seals their vows with a kiss, surrounded by the infinite beauty of the cosmos. Beyond the ceremony, the celebration could extend to orbital receptions, complete with floating champagne toasts and gourmet space cuisine. The exclusivity and novelty of such an event make it a once-in-a-lifetime experience, ideal for those who want their union to be as extraordinary as the stars themselves. As space tourism becomes more accessible, the idea of tying the knot in space will likely transition from a futuristic fantasy to a sought-after reality, redefining what it means to celebrate love in the most awe-inspiring setting imaginable. Shifting our gaze to the intersection of history and exploration, let's imagine the rise of space archaeology tours. Picture this: stepping onto the moon's surface to visit the very spot where humankind first left its footprint. Space archaeology tours would allow tourists to explore historic lunar landing sites, relics of early space missions, and even the remains of spacecraft that paved the way for our cosmic journeys. These tours wouldn't just be about sightseeing, they'd be a profound educational experience. Imagine standing beside the Apollo 11 landing site, where humanity took its first leap beyond Earth, or examining the remnants of early probes that ventured into the unknown. Each site would serve as a time capsule, offering a tangible connection to the milestones of space exploration. Beyond the moon, these tours could extend to other celestial bodies, where artifacts from robotic missions or even future human settlements could be observed. The historical significance of these tours would be immense, offering a deeper understanding of how far we've come in our quest to explore the universe. They'd also inspire a sense of stewardship, reminding us of the importance of preserving these sites for future generations. As space tourism evolves, space archaeology could become a niche but impactful way to honor our past while looking toward the future. It's a journey through time where every footprint and every fragment tells a story of human ingenuity and the relentless spirit of discovery. Now, let's take a leap into the realm of competitive fun with space sports leagues. Picture this: athletes soaring through zero gravity, defying the limits of Earth-bound sports. In the near future, orbital soccer and space basketball could become the next big thing, offering a thrilling mix of strategy, physics, and pure spectacle. Imagine teams maneuvering through spacecraft arenas where the ball floats unpredictably and every move requires precision and creativity. These sports won't just be about winning. They'll redefine what it means to be an athlete, pushing the boundaries of human agility and teamwork in a gravity-free environment. And it's not just for the players. Audiences will be captivated by the sheer novelty and excitement of watching sports in space. Broadcasting these matches could revolutionize entertainment, with cameras capturing every angle of the action in high definition, making viewers feel like they're floating alongside the players. Beyond the thrill, space sports leagues could inspire a new generation of athletes and fans, fostering a global community united by their love of these groundbreaking games. As space tourism grows, these leagues could become a cornerstone of orbital culture, blending competition with innovation and creating unforgettable experiences for everyone involved. It's not just a game, it's a glimpse into the future of human potential. Now, let's shift our attention to another exhilarating possibility: space music festivals. Imagine your favorite artists performing in zero gravity, their movements fluid and unbound by Earth's pull, while you, as part of the audience, float effortlessly among the stars. These festivals would offer a sensory experience unlike anything on Earth, blending music with the awe-inspiring backdrop of the cosmos. The technical challenges, however, are significant. Artists would need to adapt their performances to zero gravity, mastering new instruments or techniques that work in such an environment. Sound systems would have to be carefully designed to function efficiently in space, ensuring that the music reaches every corner of the venue without distortion. And then there's the audience experience. Floating listeners would need secure yet comfortable seating arrangements to enjoy the performances without drifting away. Despite these hurdles, the atmosphere of a space music festival would be unparalleled. Picture yourself surrounded by the vastness of space, the melodies echoing through the void, and the collective energy of a crowd united by music and wonder. These events could redefine the concept of live performances, offering artists and audiences a platform to connect in ways that transcend traditional boundaries. As space tourism evolves, space music festivals could become a cultural phenomenon, merging art, technology, and the infinite possibilities of the cosmos into one unforgettable experience. It's not just a concert, it's a journey into the future of entertainment. Now, let's turn our gaze to the intersection of creativity and the cosmos space art exhibits. Picture this: floating galleries suspended in orbit, where artists from around the world showcase works inspired by the vastness of the universe. These exhibits would not only celebrate the beauty of space, but also push the boundaries of artistic expression, inviting viewers to experience art in a completely new dimension. Imagine sculptures that drift and morph in zero gravity, paintings that capture the ethereal glow of distant nebulas, and installations that respond to the subtle vibrations of the cosmos. Space tourism would provide artists with unparalleled inspiration, offering them a first-hand view of the stars, planets, and the Earth from above. This unique perspective could lead to groundbreaking works that challenge our understanding of art and its relationship to the universe. For visitors, these exhibits would be more than just visual experiences. They would be immersive journeys that blend art, science, and emotion. Floating through a space art gallery, surrounded by masterpieces that reflect the wonder of the cosmos, would be a deeply personal and transformative experience. As space tourism grows, these exhibits could become cultural landmarks, attracting artists and audiences alike to explore the infinite possibilities of creative expression in space. The future of art is not just on Earth, it's out there waiting to be discovered among the stars. Now, shifting our focus to the wonders of the unknown, let's explore the idea of space wildlife safaris. Imagine a future where tourists, equipped with advanced telescopes or drones, embark on virtual safaris to observe alien ecosystems. These experiences would allow travelers to witness the potential diversity of life beyond Earth, from microscopic organisms thriving on distant moons to exotic creatures inhabiting faraway planets. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, even in its simplest forms, would revolutionize not only science but also tourism, sparking a new wave of curiosity and adventure. Space wildlife safaris could offer a thrilling blend of exploration and education, giving participants a front-row seat to the mysteries of the universe. As technology advances, these safaris might even allow real-time interactions with alien environments, creating unforgettable moments for those lucky enough to experience them. The impact on tourism would be profound, attracting not just scientists and adventurers, but also everyday travelers eager to glimpse the unknown. The possibility of encountering extraterrestrial life, once the realm of science fiction, could become a tangible and awe-inspiring reality, forever changing how we view ourselves and our place in the cosmos. From distant planets to icy moons, space wildlife safaris could open up entirely new frontiers for exploration and discovery. Moving on to another exciting frontier, let's dive into the concept of space adventure camps. Imagine a future where tourists, not just professional astronauts, can experience the thrill of space training. These camps would offer immersive programs where participants undergo astronaut-style preparation, from mastering spacesuit protocols to executing simulated missions. Picture yourself navigating zero-gravity chambers, practicing spacewalks in controlled environments, or even piloting mock spacecraft to imaginary planets. These camps wouldn't just be about adventure, they'd also serve as powerful educational tools, giving participants a hands-on understanding of space science, engineering, and teamwork. For younger attendees, these programs could inspire the next generation of space explorers, blending learning with excitement in a way that textbooks simply can't match. Recreational value would also be a huge draw, as these camps would offer a unique blend of challenge and fun, pushing participants to test their limits while creating unforgettable memories. Whether you're an aspiring astronaut or just someone looking for an extraordinary vacation, space adventure camps could redefine what it means to explore. By combining education, recreation, and the thrill of space exploration, these camps could become a cornerstone of the future tourism industry, offering an experience that's as enriching as it is exhilarating. Now, let's shift our focus to a concept that blends tranquility with the cosmos: space therapy retreats. Picture a future where the vastness of space becomes a sanctuary for those seeking solace, healing, or simply a break from the chaos of life on Earth. These retreats would offer individuals a chance to disconnect from their daily stresses and immerse themselves in the serene, almost meditative environment of space. Floating in zero gravity, gazing at the Earth from orbit, or even witnessing the stillness of the lunar landscape could provide a profound sense of peace and perspective. The psychological benefits of such an experience could be transformative. Studies have shown that exposure to the boundless beauty of space can evoke feelings of awe and interconnectedness, fostering mental clarity and emotional well-being. For those struggling with anxiety, depression, or burnout, a space therapy retreat might offer a unique form of healing, allowing them to reset and reflect in an environment unlike any other. Beyond its therapeutic potential, this concept could also appeal to mindfulness enthusiasts, offering a one-of-a-kind setting for meditation and self-discovery. By combining the restorative power of solitude with the awe-inspiring backdrop of space, these retreats could become a new frontier in mental health and wellness. Whether it's a short escape or an extended journey, space therapy retreats could redefine how we think about healing, offering a celestial haven for those in search of inner peace. Now, let's turn our attention to a creative and visually stunning aspect of space tourism: space photography workshops. Imagine a future where aspiring photographers and enthusiasts can hone their craft in the most extraordinary setting imaginable: outer space. These workshops would offer participants the opportunity to learn how to capture breathtaking images of Earth, the Moon, and even distant planets, all while floating in zero gravity. The experience would be nothing short of transformative, allowing photographers to see our planet and the cosmos from a perspective few have ever witnessed. To succeed in space photography, specialized equipment would be essential. Cameras would need to be designed to withstand the unique conditions of space, including extreme temperatures and microgravity. Techniques for stabilizing shots in zero gravity would also be critical, requiring photographers to master new skills and adapt to the challenges of their environment. Beyond the technical aspects, these workshops would inspire creativity and innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in photography. Imagine capturing the Earth's curvature, the stark beauty of the lunar surface, or the shimmering bands of distant galaxies, all through your own lens. For those passionate about both photography and space exploration, these workshops would be the ultimate adventure, blending artistry with the thrill of discovery. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, space photography workshops could open up a whole new world of possibilities, allowing you to document the wonders of the universe in ways never before imagined. As space tourism continues to evolve, these workshops could become a must for anyone looking to combine their love of photography with the awe-inspiring experience of space travel. Now, let's explore a deeply personal and symbolic aspect of space tourism: space-time capsules. Picture a future where anyone can send cherished keepsakes, letters, or even digital memories into space, preserving them in orbit or on the Moon for generations to come. This unique concept would allow individuals to leave a piece of their lives among the stars, creating a connection between their personal stories and the vastness of the cosmos. These time capsules could hold anything from family photos to handwritten notes, capturing moments of joy, love, or even reflection. Beyond their individual significance, these capsules could also serve as a collective cultural archive, offering future generations a glimpse into what life was like on Earth during this era. Imagine the emotional impact of knowing that a piece of your legacy is floating in space, enduring long after you're gone. For those who participate, the act of creating and sending a space-time capsule could be a profoundly meaningful experience, blending the personal with the cosmic. It's a way to immortalize memories in a setting that feels both infinite and timeless. As space tourism continues to grow, the idea of space-time capsules could become a popular way for people to leave their mark on the universe, turning the act of preservation into an interstellar journey. This concept not only highlights the emotional depth of space exploration, but also reinforces the idea that our stories, no matter how small, are part of something much larger. Now, let's shift our focus to a truly out-of-this-world concept: space language schools. As humanity ventures deeper into the cosmos, the possibility of encountering intelligent alien life becomes more than just a sci-fi fantasy. Imagine schools dedicated to teaching extraterrestrial communication, where tourists and explorers can learn how to interact with life forms from other planets. These schools wouldn't just focus on decoding alien languages, but also on understanding the cultural and social nuances of potential extraterrestrial civilizations. While this idea remains speculative, it captures the imagination of science fiction enthusiasts and futurists alike. Think of it as preparing for the ultimate cultural exchange, where fluency in an alien language could become a prized skill. Courses might include lessons on universal symbols, non-verbal communication, and even the use of advanced translation technologies. The appeal lies in the blend of curiosity and adventure, learning something entirely new that could one day bridge the gap between humans and aliens. For space tourists, attending a space language school could add an exciting layer to their journey, turning their trip into an opportunity to prepare for the unknown. It's a concept that pushes the boundaries of what we consider possible, reminding us that space exploration isn't just about where we go, but also about who we might meet along the way. As we continue to explore the universe, the idea of space language schools represents the ultimate step in preparing for a future where humanity is no longer alone in the cosmos. Now, let's take a cinematic leap into the future with the idea of space film studios. Picture this: blockbuster movies filmed not in sound stages on Earth, but in the vast expanse of space, where directors can capture zero-gravity action scenes or dramatic landscapes on alien planets. These studios would be more than just a novelty. They could redefine the entire film industry. Imagine the creativity unleashed when filmmakers aren't bound by Earth's gravity or familiar environments. Heroes could soar through spacecraft corridors, and villains might engage in epic battles on the surface of Mars. The possibilities for storytelling would be endless, opening up entirely new genres of cinema. Space tourism would play a key role in making this vision a reality, providing access to these unique filming locations and the technology needed to produce films in such extreme conditions. Actors, directors, and crew members would essentially become space tourists themselves, experiencing the thrill of zero gravity while creating art. Beyond the technical challenges, space film studios could inspire a new era of innovation in filmmaking, where the boundaries of what's possible are pushed further than ever before. For audiences, it would mean watching movies that feel truly otherworldly, offering a level of realism and immersion that's impossible to achieve on Earth. This concept doesn't just represent the future of entertainment, it's a testament to how space tourism can transform industries and spark creativity in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Now, shifting our gaze to a different kind of spectacle, let's explore the fascinating world of space fashion shows. Imagine models gliding effortlessly through zero gravity, their garments billowing in ways that defy Earth's constraints, while designers showcase their boldest, most futuristic creations. These shows wouldn't just be about style, they'd be a celebration of innovation, blending art with the unique challenges of space. For designers, the absence of gravity opens up entirely new possibilities. Fabrics could flow in unexpected ways, and designs might incorporate elements that would be impossible on Earth, like floating accessories or garments that change shape in zero gravity. But this isn't just about aesthetics. There are real challenges to overcome. Models would need to adapt to the physical demands of moving in space, mastering graceful movements in an environment where even the simplest actions require precision. Designers, too, would have to rethink their materials, ensuring they're both functional and stunning. Imagine a dress that uses lightweight, durable fabrics to withstand the harsh conditions of space while still looking breathtakingly elegant. The spectacle of these events would be unlike anything seen before. Audiences could watch from Earth via live streams or even attend in person aboard orbital venues where they'd float alongside the models and designers immersed in the experience. Space fashion shows wouldn't just push the boundaries of fashion. They'd redefine what's possible, inspiring a new era of creativity that blends the artistry of design with the wonders of space. This vision of the future isn't just about clothes. It's about how space tourism can transform every aspect of our culture, including the way we express ourselves through fashion. Now, let's take a flavorful leap into the future with the concept of space culinary schools. Picture this: aspiring chefs from around the world enrolling in cutting-edge programs designed to teach them the art of cooking in zero gravity. These schools wouldn't just be about preparing meals. They'd be pioneering a whole new way of thinking about food and how we experience it in space. The first challenge for these chefs: mastering the basics of cooking without gravity. In space, liquids don't pour, ingredients don't stay put, and heat behaves differently. Imagine trying to sauté vegetables when everything is floating around you. Students would need to learn innovative techniques to handle these unique conditions, like using magnetic cookware or specially designed containers to keep ingredients in place. But the challenges don't stop there. Space cuisine also demands a deep understanding of nutrition, as astronauts and space tourists require meals that are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients they need to stay healthy in microgravity. This opens the door to new culinary innovations, like creating dishes that use protein-rich plants grown in space or developing preservation methods that keep food fresh for long-duration missions. Space culinary schools would also explore the sensory experience of eating in space. In zero gravity, flavors can taste different and textures might feel unfamiliar. Chefs would learn how to craft meals that are both satisfying and enjoyable, even in this strange environment. Think of dishes that are visually stunning, with floating garnishes or layered presentations that take advantage of the lack of gravity. Beyond the practical skills, these schools would inspire a new generation of chefs to think outside the box, or in this case, outside the atmosphere. They'd be at the forefront of a culinary revolution, blending science and art to create meals that are as groundbreaking as the technology that makes space travel possible. And who knows, the innovations born in these schools might even make their way back to Earth, influencing how we cook and eat in our own kitchens. Now, let's journey into the fascinating world of space history museums. Imagine walking through exhibits that showcase the milestones of humanity's exploration of the cosmos. These museums would offer visitors a chance to see artifacts from historic missions, like pieces of the Apollo spacecraft, spacesuits worn by astronauts, and even fragments of meteorites. Each exhibit would tell a story, highlighting the challenges, triumphs, and innovations that have shaped space exploration. Visitors could learn about the first human to walk on the Moon, the development of the International Space Station, and the ambitious missions now aimed at reaching Mars. Beyond the artifacts, interactive displays would bring these stories to life, allowing tourists to experience what it's like to launch a rocket or walk in zero gravity. Educational programs would deepen the experience, offering workshops and lectures led by experts in space science and history. For younger visitors, hands-on activities could spark curiosity and inspire the next generation of explorers. Space history museums wouldn't just be about looking back. they'd also look forward, showcasing the latest advancements in space technology and the future of space tourism. By connecting the past, present, and future, these museums would provide a comprehensive understanding of our journey into the cosmos, making them both a source of inspiration and a celebration of human ingenuity. And as we continue to explore new frontiers, these museums will serve as a reminder of how far we've come and the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. Now, let's uncork a truly unique experience: space wine tastings. Imagine floating in a spacecraft, sipping a glass of wine that's been aged in the microgravity environment of space. This isn't just a futuristic fantasy, it's a concept that's already being explored. Winemakers are sending bottles into orbit to study how zero gravity affects the aging process. Without Earth's gravity, the chemical reactions in wine happen differently, potentially creating flavors and aromas that can't be replicated on our planet. Tourists on these space flights would have the chance to taste these exclusive vintages, experiencing first and how the cosmos transforms a familiar drink into something entirely new. Imagine the subtle notes of a wine aged in space, perhaps more complex, smoother, or with a unique bouquet that surprises even the most seasoned connoisseurs. Beyond the novelty, these tastings could spark a new appreciation for the art and science of winemaking, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. As space tourism grows, space wine tastings might become a signature experience, offering a sensory journey that's as much about exploring flavors as it is about exploring the stars. Shifting our gaze to the intersection of art and exploration, let's envision space literature festivals. Picture this: authors and poets gathered in orbit or on the moon, sharing stories and verses that draw inspiration from the vastness of the cosmos. These festivals would celebrate the power of storytelling in a setting that's literally out of this world. As space tourism becomes more accessible, the experiences of traveling among the stars will undoubtedly spark new narratives, shifting how we tell stories. Imagine tales of interplanetary adventures, poems penned under the glow of Earthrise, or novels that blend the science of space with the depth of human emotion. The unique environment of space itself could become a character in these works, influencing plotlines and themes in ways that ground-based storytelling simply can't replicate. Beyond just entertainment, these festivals could foster a deeper connection between humanity and the universe, encouraging us to see our place in the cosmos with fresh eyes. As authors and poets push the boundaries of their craft, space literature festivals could become a hub for creativity, blending the wonder of space travel with the timeless art of storytelling, inspiring generations to dream bigger and think beyond the confines of Earth. Turning our attention to the stars, let's dive into the mesmerizing idea of space astronomy tours. Picture this: you're floating in orbit, peering through a state-of-the-art telescope and gazing at distant galaxies, swirling nebulas and clusters of stars that seem to stretch endlessly. These guided tours would offer an unparalleled opportunity to witness the universe in its raw, unfiltered beauty, far from the distortions of Earth's atmosphere. Imagine the breathtaking sight of the Milky Way stretching across the void, or the vibrant hues of the Orion Nebula glowing millions of light-years away. These tours wouldn't just be passive observation. Imagine expert astronomers narrating the wonders of the cosmos, explaining the life cycles of stars, the formation of galaxies, and the mysteries of dark matter. For many, this would be a profound moment of connection with the universe, a chance to grasp the vastness of space and the tiny, yet significant, role we play in it. Beyond the visual spectacle, these tours could inspire a deeper appreciation for science and exploration, sparking curiosity in the next generation of astronomers and space enthusiasts. Imagine returning to Earth with a new perspective, forever changed by the experience of seeing the universe from a vantage point few have ever known. Space astronomy tours could redefine how we understand and engage with the cosmos, turning distant celestial objects into personal, awe-inspiring encounters. Now, shifting our gaze even further into the future, let's explore the concept of space colonization for tourists. Imagine a world where permanent space colonies exist, offering not just brief visits but the opportunity to live and work among the stars for extended periods. These colonies would be self-sustaining habitats designed to provide everything needed for long-term survival, from oxygen and food to artificial gravity and protection from cosmic radiation. Picture floating cities orbiting Earth, lunar bases carved into the Moon's surface, or even sprawling settlements on Mars. These communities would allow tourists to immerse themselves in the experience of space living, whether it's for a few months or even years. But creating such colonies isn't without its challenges. Technologically, we'd need to master advanced life support systems, efficient energy sources like solar or nuclear power, and the ability to grow food in space. Ethically, questions arise about who gets to live in these colonies, how resources are managed, and the impact on any potential extraterrestrial ecosystems. What would it mean to establish human settlements on other worlds, and how would we ensure they're sustainable and equitable? Space colonization for tourists could redefine the very concept of travel, offering a blend of exploration, adventure, and long-term living that has never been possible before. It's a vision that pushes the boundaries of what we think is achievable, inviting us to imagine a future where space isn't just a destination but a new home. As we wrap up this journey through the future of space tourism, it's clear that the cosmos holds endless possibilities for exploration and adventure. From lunar hotels and suborbital vacations to orbital theme parks and Mars colonization, the next few decades promise to redefine how we experience the universe. These predictions paint a vivid picture of a future where space travel is not just for astronauts, but for anyone with a sense of curiosity and a spirit of adventure. Imagine floating through zero-gravity cities, dining in space, or walking on the Moon. These experiences could soon become part of our everyday lives. The advancements in technology, coupled with the growing interest in space, are paving the way for a new era of tourism that transcends our planet's boundaries. As we look ahead, it's exciting to think about how these innovations will shape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Which of these predictions do you find most intriguing? Is it the idea of spaceports in major cities, or perhaps the thought of attending a zero-gravity music festival? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of space tourism, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest futuristic explorations. The stars are calling, and the future is closer than you think.